In today's video, I will walk you through how to install MetaTrader 5 on laptop. To get started, head over to the official MetaTrader 5 website at metatrader5.com. This is the recommended place to download the software so you can install the official version on your Windows laptop. Once you're on the website, look for the available operating system options. Since this tutorial is for Windows, select the Windows version. Choosing the correct version helps make sure the installation works properly on your laptop. After selecting the Windows version, the download should begin automatically. If it doesn't start on its own, click the download link provided on the page to begin downloading the installer manually. Wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. While it's downloading, make sure you know where your browser saves downloaded files. For most computers, this will be the Downloads folder unless you've changed the default location. When the download is complete, open the folder where the installer was saved and locate the downloaded setup file. It's usually named something similar to MT5 setup. Double-click the file to launch the installer. If Windows displays a security prompt asking whether you want to allow the program to make changes to your computer, click Yes to continue. This will open the MetaTrader 5 installation window. You'll then see the end-user agreement. Read through it if you'd like, and once you're ready, click Next to continue with the installation. The installer will begin copying the required files and setting up MetaTrader 5 on your computer. During this process, simply wait until everything finishes. The installation time may vary depending on your computer, so give it a moment to complete. Once the installation is finished, MetaTrader 5 will be installed on your laptop. In most cases, you'll also see a MetaTrader 5 shortcut added to your desktop, making it easy to open the platform whenever you need it. If the installer displays a Finish button, click it to close the installation window. You can then use the desktop shortcut to launch MetaTrader 5. That's all there is to it. The software has now been downloaded and installed on your Windows laptop, and you're ready to start using MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.